Insurance covers your vehicle from accidents, but did you know it doesn't cover expensive breakdowns? If your manufacturer's warranty is expired or is about to run out, you'll be on the hook for repairs. A broken AC unit costs over $1,800, transmission over $3,000, and an engine over $4,000.
As a mechanic, I always recommend my customers have an auto protection plan. Endurance has been putting money back in Americans' pockets for nearly 2 decades, and their plans are crafted by real auto experts like me.
If you break down, just choose the local repair shop you trust. Endurance pays them directly. Call now and we'll upgrade you to an Endurance Elite membership free. We offer affordable down payments, low monthly plans, and a money-back guarantee. At Endurance, we administer our own plans, meaning no middleman and no runaround.
So don't drive another second without total protection from Endurance.
Call 800-209-2210 for a free quote. That's 800-209-2210.